Once a final, and semi-final, then again a final, so it's a little bit bittersweet, but next year I'll try to come back and win it. I've been here last year, but I was first round, so it's a good comeback. And honestly, the biggest thanks is to my coach, because we both know what we have been through and what it took us to be here. So this title is as yours as mine.
Tenim la continuïtat d'aquest 8 a 125 confirmat i a més que ho farem, se'n dirà Open Catalonia Sol Gironès 8 a 125 perquè el farem amb la col·laboració de la Federació